Alright chaps and potential chapesses. This isn't the video that I wanted to release. I've not actually recorded anything recently. The last few weeks for me have been absolute hell. I had gastroenteritis. I had to go to the hospital for it, but yeah, I'm fine. I'm fine. But not only that, I had my Google account compromised. It was basically hijacked, and consequently my YouTube videos were all taken offline for a while, which a few people have actually emailed me, and thank you very much for your concern. I have got a lot of videos in the pipeline that I've got to get recorded and edited, but in the meantime this is the only video I've got ready for release. So this was supposed to be a midweek video, but it's not. It's a Saturday one now, because it's Saturday. Watch this, give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe and all that, and I'll catch you all next week. My makeup!
Makeup.
What am I doing? There is something in here. Honestly can't remember when I had this much fun. It's killing my leg. Talking of legs, yes, my health is okay, but it won't be tomorrow, and the day after I'll be in bed. Hang on. Hang on. Oh, shit. Go! Ready? Oh my. You're going. Bye. What am I doing? Really, what am I doing? I'm 60 years old. I'm acting like a bloody teenager.
Đâu đâu bay phi conด้วย You happy, mate?
How is my mascara?
Huh?
My makeup.
You tired, mate? Tired, mate?
Yes. Catching a bloody fish now. I said there was fish. You didn't listen. What are you using your boobs as a trap? Things you do for fun, eh? Right, it is nice here. And it is. It is the first time I've been swimming since I got here. I wish I'd known this was going to happen. Lovely ride around rural Thailand in the back of a pickup. Nothing finer. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe and share it with the world and all that. And I'll catch you next time. And I'd like you to remember that life is definitely worth living on this measly earth. All you've got to do is get out there, do what makes you happy, do what makes you smile, and bollocks to what nobody else thinks. It's like my childhood.